When we were first discussing the idea on how to present our latest research papers, I came up with a setting like this that you have here right now on the screen. But then I thought, well, this doesn't simply suit me very well because it's not me. And so this is me. I'm Stefan from Palkowitz Lab, and I'm devoting most of my research time nowadays to topics like data science and machine learning in the field of chemistry and catalysis. And I want to share with you my latest manuscript, which is entitled A Primer About Machine Learning in Catalysis, and it is a tutorial with code. So, and this is how the actual manuscript looks like. It was published in ChemCatChem just this year, and the idea behind the manuscript was to get natural scientists, especially people working in catalysis, to get them started in machine learning or data science if they don't have the foggiest idea on how to get started at all. So what I took as a basis was a data set from literature on the oxidative coupling of methane, and then I take you through the whole data science or machine learning process based on this data set, but I provide this together with the actual programming code in Python. So what we will first do is I do some very basic data inspection based on an actual pre-processing on the data, so we get all the data in shape and see what really is inside the data. Are there any hidden trends or something the like? Then we go over to one part of machine learning, which is actually called unsupervised learning, and there I will show you how to use methods like elbow curves and do clustering with this data set, or how to do a dimensional reduction with algorithms like a simple principal component analysis, or maybe also a more advanced TS&E algorithm. From this, we go over to supervised learning to make actual predictions based on this data set. And for this, I use two algorithms here, which is the support vector machine, which most of the time just simply works, but in this case it's not so well suited, and therefore I use additionally the random forest algorithm, which is pretty popular in chemistry as it very often just works very well. And indeed, in this case, it works a little bit better than, for example, the support vector machine. But can we do better? And for this, I also try deep learning for you. You know, everybody is talking about neural networks, also in natural science these days. And so I wanted to show you if it's worth, for example, to try a neural network. And for this, I also show you the complete code of this. And I use the library TensorFlow to make a neural network and to make predictions, which in this special case were not better than the even simpler random forest algorithm. So you see, you can do quite a lot with machine learning, even in catalysis and chemistry. And this is the story about my latest research paper. If you would like to know more about this, feel free to contact me at Palkowitz Lab. And with this, I thank you for your attention.